Are you ready for the trip? Are you ready for the trip? I feel nausea. I feel nausea. When will we meet again? When will we meet again? He has diabetes. He has diabetes. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Don't abuse. Don't abuse. Leave it. Leave it. Come with me. Come with me. Join me. Join me. I feel so. I feel so. How nice. How nice. Don't lose your temper. Don't lose your temper. He could hardly see. He could hardly see. Are you sure? Are you sure? Not bad. Not bad. Forgive me. Forgive me. At what time did it happen? At what time did it happen? Or, when did this happen? When did this happen? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? How is he today? How is he today? How is she? How is she? On my behalf. On my behalf. Or, on my part. On my part. What an idea! What an idea! No entry. No entry. I reached after them. I reached after them. I will leave in half an hour. I will leave in half an hour. Take it easy. Take it easy. Prepare the bed. Prepare the bed. Nothing else. Nothing else. That's neat. That's neat. Don't drink cold water. Don't drink cold water. Look here. Look here. Stand still. Stand still. How can you be so careless? How can you be so careless? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am good for nothing. I am good for nothing. Write in English. Write in English. Cat see in the dark. Cat see in the dark. She writes a letter to me. She writes a letter to me. I am married. I am married. He is very annoying. He is very annoying. Give me 2 glasses of water. Give me 2 glasses of water. I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. I need to take a bath. I need to take a bath. Or, I will have to take a bath. I will have to take a bath. I would like some more water. I would like some more water. Are you coming tonight? Are you coming tonight? I made this cake. I made this cake. Do you know where my key is? Do you know where my key is? I would like a single room. I would like a single room. What does this mean? What does this mean? Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. I will pay for dinner. I will pay for dinner. I have hung your shirt here. I have hung your shirt here. Keep the lunch box with you. Keep the lunch box with you. The bus is in your wait. The bus is in your wait. This is why I was afraid of. This is why I was afraid of. I will be busy tomorrow. I will be busy tomorrow. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Is he at home? Is he at home? Have you fed the dog? Have you fed the dog? Are you busy? Are you busy? That's not enough. That's not enough. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.